What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be racing RC cars at this track that is right behind me, guys. This is a dirt track that has a bunch of jumps and turns, so it's absolutely awesome. But let me show you guys a close-up of the two RC cars that I have and this track that we're going to be working with for today's video. So here are my two RC cars, guys. These cars are absolutely crazy. You control them with the remote, and they literally go 60, 70 miles per hour, depending on which one you have. For the people who know what these are, that is a Traxxas Rustler, and this is a Traxxas and this is the track. We have a ramp there, it goes around, a ramp there, another one there. Again, here are my two cars, guys. The Traxxas Rustler is a little faster than the Traxxas Slash, but they're both absolutely crazy. The one on the right is a little more durable and a little slower, but there's still only like there's only like a 5 miles per hour difference in speed between these, so it's not going to be a big deal. This is going to be absolutely insane. Let me show you guys so you can see for yourself what I mean when I say these cars are fast. Alright, I have the remote now, guys. Let me show you guys what I mean. We're going to use this ramp here. And that's not even as fast as it goes here. I'm going to just at the straightaway here show you guys the speed of this thing. Yeah, this thing's crazy. We're going to be using this whole track today, guys. It's a long straightaway, guys. Let's see how fast I can hit with this. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. There it is. Again, all the way back. Let's try to drift. Whoa, guys. These are really fun, actually. So now, let me introduce you guys to the person who's going to be racing with me for today's video.
Hey guys, I'm Cole's dad. We've raced a couple times. I've never beat him, but today I think I have a good chance.
Alright guys, you heard him. He thinks he has a good chance. I don't think he does at all. So I gave him the faster car, which is right there. And there's mine, a little slower, but I'm still pretty confident. So guys, we have 3 laps we're going to do on this track here. There's someone else's car that's going to be using the track at the same time, but don't worry. These two are ours. Do not mind their car. And yeah, we have 3 total races. Each one's going to be 15 laps. 15 laps each. First person to win 2 out of the 3 races will be the winner of today's video, guys. Alright guys, we have our cars ready right here, both lined up in the starting spot. We're ready to start our first race to 15 laps. Are you ready, Dad?
I'm ready.
Alright, count down from 5.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm gonna be up here, guys. No! And you have to get your own car. If our cars flip over and things, we have to get there. You have to get yours. Guys, just get in that lead further. Okay, we just paused the game, guys, because we realized 15 laps is way too much. 15 laps would take way too long. I don't think our batteries could last that long for 3 races, so we're gonna do 3 races to 5 laps each, guys. So we're each in our second lap. Now, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. And now we're going again. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. Shoot. Wait, am I? No, I'm not. Never mind, I'm going the right way, guys. I don't know what I was thinking. go, guys. Just completed my fourth lap. Last lap for me. I think my dad is still on. He's on his fourth right now. Whoa. All good. Let's go, guys. I just won the first race. My dad was less than a lap behind, so not too bad, but now we're gonna get ready for the second race.
All right, this is best out of 3, so I gotta win this if we're gonna keep racing.
Yes.
All right, I got him this time.
5, 4, 3, 2,
2, 1,
go. What are you doing, Dad? No! We were doing so good. Something finally broke. So here is the issue with mine, guys. Right here, this part came off. You see how this one is? It's supposed to be like that. This came off here, so we're gonna try to fix this, and I'll tell you guys if we're successful or not. Now our cars are back where we had them, guys. My dad is on his third lap. I'm on my second lap, so he's actually ahead. So we're probably gonna go to a game 3, but I'm gonna try to finish out this race with a dub. So Dad, are you ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. I'm so happy we got to fix my car, guys, because if we hadn't, we would have had to find some other way to do this race, because these are the only 2 cars I have. I'm gonna go around that ramp to try to save I don't want my car to break again. There it goes, let's go. I did the ramp, the big one. Is this our last lap, or do we have one more?
I think this is the last lap.
And took the dub.
That was garbage.
Wow, guys, so I came back and ended up beating him in the second race, but I do not want it to be over. I feel like we can do more cool races with these cars, so here's what I'm gonna do, Dad. I am going to give my dad a second chance And what it's going to be is 1 lap. We're going to do a 1-lap race right now. If he beats me, he will take home the second win, and then we will do a final race to win it all, guys. So if he wins this 1-lap race, then we're gonna pretend like I didn't win that second race and he did, and then he still has a chance to win everything. So Dad, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Dad. I'm giving you a chance. Take advantage of this. Shoot, he fell already, guys. No! Woo! No chance, Dad. Let's go, guys. I won today's video. Good game, Dad.
Good game.
How'd you like being in my video?
It was a lot of fun. Next time I'm going to practice more. I was a pretty bad driver today.
Practice more. You were good. At some points, you had a lead on me. But, guys, really fun time racing. And before we leave here, I want to get some really cool clips for you guys. Maybe some slow motion videos of the car going the ramp and stuff. And that is going to wrap up today's video, guys. Really hope every single one of you enjoyed watching my video today. If you enjoyed seeing me and my dad race and those clips, smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a lot of great videos always to come, guys, so I would really appreciate it if you would show me the support by subscribing. But I will see every single one of you guys in the next video. Peace!